И здравейте всички, аз съм Стефи, добре дошли за следващия епизод на The Walking Dead, A New Frontier. Да продължим от там, където бяхме стигнали. Само да кажа, че човек в коментарите написа, че не са зомбите, а са бродещи. Но съжалявам, но мисля да само да си казвам зомбите, защото това не са бродещи, това са зомбите, това са хора, които са заразени от някакъв грип. И да, нямаха да са бродещи този вид, затова аз ги наричам зомбите, но както и да е. Надявам се да не е проблем това, затова нека да продължаваме докъдето бяхме стигнали миналия епизод. Ни хванаха онези хора, които... Да, общото хванаха хора. И сега сме завързани. Окей, ни водят някъде.
Hey, my family, where are they? What did you do with my family? Please, man!
Моля ти се, кажи ни нещо.
I wouldn't start talking if I were you. You're lucky we do things a certain way. I'm already tempted to put a bullet in your brain for what you did to Lonnie back there. If we start talking, I'm gonna get angry.
You don't have to go back. My family's back there. Hey, you gotta listen to me. There's a herd coming, a massive one, and
and that's why we're driving away from it.
Please, just
stop, all right?
Той тръгва, защото идват много зомбита, бродещи, но да.
We still got a haul ahead of us, and I'm not about to listen to you. What the hell?
What? Дърво пада! Чакай, какво става тук? What? Как се забихме? Ето това точно не го очаквах, но пистолетът той е за... май умря на място или... Не е умрял, добре. Окей. Окей. Let him go... Не, оставям го да избяга. Нищо не е направил. За какво да го убиваме? Пък и ни не дава съвест. О-о! Пак ли?
Yeah. All right.
That's good. Just keep looking
forward. Това Клементайн ли? I surrender. Please help me out.
Please. I need help.
Нуждаем се от помощ.
Well, that's obvious. The way your friend there ran off.
Да, това е Клементайн. О, играта става се по-заплетено. Това е доста интересно. Клементайн. Окей.
Okay. Now don't do anything stupid.
Добре, няма да правим нищо глупаво.
I won't hesitate.
Носи помпа.
You're a kid.
Ми дете, какво да направим?
Well, wait, did you
А тя нарочно го направила. За да сними...
I was trying to stop the truck.
Да, за да спре камиона. Точно.
Shit.
Okay. I think you over it. Why?
What do you need the truck for?
За какво че?
To drive.
За каране.
Put your hands up and close your eyes.
Look, I'm the victim here.
We're all victims.
Oh, so it's okay for you to rob me?
Тя ще набира, така ли?
This is payment for saving you.
Hey, that's for my niece. She loves chocolate more than anything.
Okay.
I promised it to her.
Това е вафчето, което ни даде Кейт. Окей.
Keep your eyes closed and count to 100 before you go.
Wait, just... My family. I need to get back to them.
Трябва да се върнем за
We
тях,
were
да.
attacked and I don't... Look, I just need to know where I am. We were driving down the 522 and that's when we found the junkyard. They're still there. I need to get back to them.
Да, наистина трябва да се... Нуждаем се от помощ, трябва да се върнем за тях.
You said you were driving?
In our van, yeah.
I'll take you to the junkyard if you let me have your van.
Какво? Ще ни закара до там. И с замяна ще ни даде... Окей. И така ще ти дадем вана. Ами... Вана не е чак толкова голяма полза, може да се намерим още много коли. Семейството е на първо място и бих дала всичко.
and I'm not taking any chances.
Няма да ни даде други...
So it's safer for both of
I
us
don't
if you're
blame
tied
you
up.
on the feelings. Are you
Come
serious?
on. You must trust me at least a little. We're here, aren't we?
I trust that if I don't get a
Seriously?
van at the end of this, you'll regret it.
The name's Javier, by the way. People call me Javi.
Javier.
Clementine.
Clementine. Да, точно така. That's a cool name.
Clementine. Cool name.
If you say so.
Нещо друго да кажеш. Окей, продължаваме да си ходим, а зомбите да са зад нас. Окей. Ходим си, да видим какво ще се случи. Окей. О, зомби. Зомбак. Трябва да се приготвя. Давай, Клементайн. Майко, котки. В момента ти не се въписи живота. Окей, малко ръкавна пауза.
Look, you don't want to talk? Fine.
Ако не искаш да
But
говориш,
how about you
добре.
give me that gun back so I can at least defend myself?
For all I know, you'd turn
I
around
promise
and
not
use it
to
on
shoot
me.
you. Това.
Look, I'm not gonna shoot you.
Няма да я стрелям естествено. Чай дете.
But I
А, я
know you
помня
thought
тупа
about it.
мъничка. Играла съм много The Walking Dead. И я помня от много малка.
Muertos.
Опа.
They're caught up with us.
Зомбитата вече минават по-пряко. Трябва веднага да избягаме, за да не ни забележат. Защото ако не забележат, там едно дори ме.
What do you call them?
Walkers.
Or what do you call the ones that run?
They're all fucking walkers, okay? Look, I'm not used to being around other people.
Окей.
Not for a while
That's all the
anyway.
only yeah I can tell. Don't worry about
It's
it.
just
Не се
me on
притеснявай
my
за това.
own.
Apology accepted.
I wasn't apologizing.
Окей. Вървим
So,
се.
who's at this junkyard?
My brother's
Junkyard.
kids. And his wife.
It's impressive. Surviving this
And
long.
his wife.
Not sure how
Значи
you
това
did
е неговата жена.
Just keeping everyone
Не
together
знам.
like that.
They all survivors. Да, те са оцеляващи.
Gabe and Mariana are tough kids. They learned how to survive on their own. Hey, you seem to know a thing or two about that.
Yeah.
Well, how about you? You
Клементайн
must
ще
have been pretty
запомни
young when
това.
this shit started.
I was. But some people looked out for me too.
What happened to them?
Same thing that happens to everyone.
Всичко, което се свърши... Да. Това е малко тъпо, защото знам историята на Клементайн.
We can't stay
Опа,
here.
опа.
There's a town up ahead. We can stay there until the herd passes. Otherwise, we're walker food. Can you do that? Please?
Окей.
We can't make a detour. I need to get to my family.
And I need that van. But right now, you have to trust me.
Окей. Ние искаме
You mean the way you
семейството му,
trust me?
а тя иска банани. Затова, окей, бос.
Don't make me regret this.
О, благодаря.
Come on.
Благодаря. Довери ни се, което за неговия чар. Какво се очаква? Окей.
There!
Там. О-о. Те се прибират.
Get
Помпата.
to the gate!
Окей.
Keep going. You'll open up!
Окей. Опа. Не, внимавай. Плиз. Не. Отваряй. Не. О, благодарячи.
I can't open the gate till you clear them out. Can't risk it.
Без рискове. Окей. Уха, хедшот. Опа, хедшот. Добре, това беше лесно. Опа!
These bullets won't fire!
Бързо си го! Хедшот.
Get your ass inside. Come on now.
Благодаря. Трябваше по-рано да го направиш, мама. И кончето. What? Окей.
Damn it, Francine. One of these days, those doors are
Това
gonna
беше
close
напоследък.
and your ass will be on. die.
И ще стана.
Yeah, and when that day comes, Trip, I promise I'll eat you first.
И това беше
It's
готино.
Clementine, right? You staying a while this time?
No. Once the walkers pass, I'm taking this guy to a junkyard off the highway.
My family might be trapped there,
Значи
hiding from some very
Клементайн
bad
познава
dudes.
тези хора, не той
Well,
из тях.
shit.
Аха.
I'm truly sorry to hear that. This herd rolled in pretty quick.
Ето това е
We're
малко
hoping it's
гадно.
gone just as fast. So, just keep your heads down and steer clear of trouble. You got me?
Да.
There's too
We'll
much
be
going
cool.
on outside the walls tonight.
She'll watch out. Окей.
We'll be cool. Just need a place to ride out the herd, that's all.
All right. I'm gonna hold you to that. And I wouldn't recommend changing your mind. If you want to hang on to all your teeth, that is.
Вау.
Now head on in. I got shit to do.
Окей.
Well,
Има.
welcome to Prescott.
Добре, значи, добре дошли в Прескот. Окей, бос. Добре дошли в Прескот. Какво е Прескот? Нямам
Pretty
идея.
cool place, actually.
Значи тук е сигурно някаква база на оцеляващи. Хората, които са оцелели.
The people, on the other hand, they're not my favorite. Usually I'm in and out as quick as I can manage.
Should I...
Not exactly an option this time, though.
Charming...
No, this place is actually kind of charming. It's got
Честно, не знам какво с Charming
all the way
или... Не знам дали...
around
Направих
well,
верния избор.
thing.
Yeah, like I said, this is a pretty cool place.
Да, наистина е готино място.
Hey, Javi. What's up?
Затваря вратите и сега не може да помогне на
My
семейството
family.
си.
They're still out there.
If you guys made it this long, I'm sure they'll know what to do.
Hopefully.
Let's go. This way.
Окей.
I gotta see a guy about some bullets.
Окей, това е още взето. Окей. Продължаваме си. И влизаме в бара. Окей.
Jeez. I haven't been in a place like this since... Well, you know... It's just like the old days.
Listen, I gotta take care of something. Hang tight.
Well, wait. What should I do?
I
Какво
don't
да
know.
прави?
Why don't you make some friends?
Ми сигурно да опознаем хората, да разгледам мястото. Окей, лукът. Не може да играем, за жалост.
Looks like someone's in the middle of a game.
Някой е, да, по средата на играта. С тия хора може да говорим? Не. Окей, да видим тази игра тук. Arcade Game,
I
окей.
wonder where they found this old thing. Haven't seen one of these in years.
Не е виждал това много години. Окей, нещо друго. Шах.
Chess. Not really my game.
Не
I
е
think
неговата
Gabe used
игра.
to play though.
Гейб. Много рекламни паузи, знам, но не съм сама у нас. Първо да разгледаме всичко.
Wonder if it's loaded.
Всичко е продадено. Окей. Първо да ги погледнем.
Play your hand. You're gonna lose, but you don't have to do it in slow motion.
Don't try and rush me. I know your game.
This is my game. Clearly.
Always a smart ass. Well, it ain't gonna work.
Окей. Нека направо да говорим с тях.
Excuse me.
Oh, you again. You got some moves, I'll give you that.
Окей, не посрещат много обещаващо.
Don't I know you from somewhere?
I don't know. Maybe.
Garcia. Javier Garcia. For what it's worth, I think you got screwed on the
Познава
gambling.
ни. Окей.
A lifetime ban. Shit. Should have had a 20-year career. Way I see it.
Yeah, I
Nothing
got
wrong with betting on
scared.
yourself to win.
One tent
And that got a lifetime ban.
One tent
You
автограф.
want an autograph or something?
If I had a baseball, I'd take you up on it. But I'm fresh out. Anyway, I'm Conrad. This here's Francine.
He runs the place. I just take his money.
Окей.
Yeah, well,
Някаква
maybe
кариера
I'm
сме
just letting
имали.
you win.
Някакви глупости. Не можа да разбера много добре.
If you're the gambling type,
По
game's
бейсбол.
poker. 5-card stud.
I'll race you.
Окей.
What do you think? Should I call? Should I fold?
Don't get too intimidated. I lose more often than I care to.
Не знам какво е това. Давай ко.
He's bluffing. He's got bullshit written all over.
Is that a fact?
Alright, I think I'll listen to the man. Call.
Moment of truth. Flip 'em. Oh my. Ain't that a pretty sight?
О, да, те играят...
Look at hand there. But not good looking enough.
О,
Shit, sorry.
And let me get you a drink for the assist. On the house.
окей, дал ни пиени.
Bottoms up.
It smells like turpentine.
Не му харесва нищо.
That's the weak stuff.
Don't turn away from me.
That's
I'm
something.
talking to you.
Oh, shit.
Hey, what's the point in talking when I already told you a deal is a deal? And it's done.
What's going
О,
on?
как...
This guy ripped me off. I traded him a crate of perfectly good batteries, and he gave me a box of bullets that won't fire.
What?
Could have gotten both of us killed.
Oh yeah? And who the fuck are you, a bodyguard or something? Cause I don't
Take
scare
it easy,
easy,
Malco.
alright? And I don't respond to threats, neither.
Just make it right. We can all walk away from this nice and easy.
Да,
Well,
по-полека.
you can't even prove those are the bullets I traded you.
Oh, hey, Clem, come on.
He knows the bullets don't work. Listen to him. He's not even
Правили са някаква
nervous.
сделка.
I could have died because of his bullets.
Unfucking believable.
Look out!
О, абе, чили бе. Чили бе. Кой ще нападаш, че бе?
Hey, listen. Let's all cool down, huh?
Правиш се на големия машкар, пък после по-полека.
Got a little out of hand. That's all.
Just give me what I'm owed.
Jesus. You gotta get her under control, man.
Трябва да контролирам.
This ain't no way to do
Punch him.
business.
Punch him. Уха! Това искаше тя.
We had a deal.
Alright, hey, okay, alright, so, hey, we'll trade back. I'll find you
I
batteries.
don't need
Искай да те благодаря
batteries.
за това.
What I need are bullets that won't get me killed. Oh no. Oh no.
Боже, какво направи бе? Клементайн!
Gun! Right now!
Say he attacked you and that he was going for his gun.
I fucking warned you!
Eli attacked him. I only shot because...
Shut it! You done enough talking.
Чакай бе, защо Клементайн го гръмна?
There's a herd out there and you're firing off a fucking... What the fuck happened here?
He attacked Hobby, okay? It was self-defense.
Enough
Да,
from
това е
you.
защита.
Did she really have to shoot?
Трябва да кажа нещо. Yes, she was. It was just a... Това беше
She
инцидент.
was just demonstrating that the bullets he sold her were faulty and the gun went off.
What are you doing?
All right, outside.
Какво направих бе? Много съм
I'm
зле.
telling you, he was...
Stop. Just stop talking.
Много съм зле.
Thanks for being straight with me. Go find Eleanor. She'll fix you up.
Много съм
The
зле.
trip sent you. Now move it.
All right, all right.
Много. Много съм зле. Много. Как можех да предам? Как можех да я предам? Това беше инцидент.
Here you
Много
go.
съм
Try and
зле.
get some rest, okay? Thanks, Eleanor.
Какво ме гледаш всички с едно...
Ugh, that looks like a nasty cut.
Тя е
That
фешерка.
must have hurt. Well, you come to the right place.
Ай,
I could use a doctor. You know one?
I'm not a doctor, but these days, EMT is the best you're gonna get.
окей, тя не е
Have a seat.
доктор, но...
I'll take a
Да.
look.
Той е на одра... Не, беше много тъп, като я
My
предадох.
name's Eleanor.
Javier.
Еленор.
Call me Javi.
Много тъп, че я предадох. Много тъпо ми стана.
A little lower and you might have lost an eye. And that is not something you want to mess around
Good
with.
thing I got to you this...
Well, thanks for doing this. I appreciate it.
I wasn't
It's
getting
Niago.
any rest tonight anyway.
Okay.
Might as well keep busy. But I appreciate the thank you. So, I have to ask. Is it true?
Дали
What's
е
that?
вярно?
I heard you were with that girl, Clementine.
О,
You put a bullet in some guy's brain over in the hangar.
не е вярно това.
Don't act so surprised. News travels fast around here.
Nope. You got me mixed up with some other dude.
Right. Must have been the other handsome young Latino stranger in town. Why is it always the pretty ones who end up causing the most trouble? I've never
I prefer
understood it.
dashing dicks on no, I'm not rubbing at all.
I'd be a lot more comfortable with dashing. Ooh, or debonair maybe.
Okay.
I was talking about Eli, the dead guy.
Oh, right.
Look, I know you didn't pull the trigger. But that
Нищо не я
girl,
развеселих.
Clementine. There's something cold
I
on
like
her
her.
eyes.
I kinda like her style. She doesn't take any shit, she does what the hell she wants, and she's a free spirit.
Yeah, well,
Доста
she's a
готин
wounded
характер
soldier, if
има,
you ask
но да.
me.
Well, right now I need
Елинор
her.
ще запомни това.
She's helping me find my family. We were attacked earlier this evening.
Oh, shit.
I'm
Sorry. For family to make it this
I
far,
left them alone, they my team.
not everybody gets that.
I'm the one who's lucky.
Те
I'm not
са
sure I'd have made it this
неговия
long
отбор.
without the three of them.
Hang in there. You're gonna find them.
Ще ги намерим, да.
Let go of me!
There you go.
Trip! What's going on?
Clementine and I had a little talk.
He's letting us leave once the herd passes.
Oh, I'm gonna do more than that. I'm gonna hightail you two to that junkyard myself. Because frankly, I don't want her anywhere near this town.
Не.
We'll leave sometime tomorrow, when it's safe. You two can spend the night here in the infirmary. I'll see you in the morning.
Окей, ще се видим на сутринта.
Look, maybe there's another way. We've got a rear gate down at the other end of the airfield. We don't use it much, but, well, we could leave tonight. All three of us. Slip past the herd
That
to the
sounds
jump start and
interesting.
in that junkyard.
Това е интересно.
Seriously. When you do that for me,
Who wouldn't want to help
Малко
someone as
трябва.
dashing as yourself?
Флиртуваме.
Gross.
Грозно.
Anyway, think about it.
I've got
I've got to check on some patients, but
Okay.
I'll be back in an hour.
Час ще се върне, окей. Нещо Хави я харесва.
Huh. Never would have guessed she had it in her.
yeah. She's
Тя е
she's
нещо.
something.
The thing is, I still trust Trip more than I trust her. But hey, it's your call. Once we get to the junkyard, I get my van and we go our separate ways.
Go trip in the morning, leave Eleanor tonight. Ето това ще разберете в следващия епизод, драги дами и господа. Затова да. Надявам се епизода да ви е харесал. Дали ще може да съберем 5 лайка на този клип за следващия епизод. Това беше от мен. Аз бях Стефи. До скоро!